What we've all experienced is a 2-month lockdown, and in many cases construction sites at a full stop. Design and engineering teams all working from home, and we've also experienced a new way of working, whereby the emergence of online meetings and digital collaboration, which has become the new norm. The construction industry was already going through an adopted change, implementing digital exchange of information through BIM models or building information models and cloud sharing. And this was for a few companies that realized change was required and to be competitive and innovators in the market. But now the laggards, to cope with the new current and post-pandemic situation, will have to seriously think about adopting the technology and look at digital transformation. As job sites start to get to work, a new norm will be required. Mandatory health checks, social distancing, cleaning and disinfecting of all work areas. All of this is going to need to be factored into the project schedule and built into the construction method statements. Other approaches to construction will be pre-construction and prefabrication, shipping modules to site rather than the labour-intensive work on site which we're all used to seeing. All of these will mitigate health risks, minimising the amount of tradespeople on site at any one time. As we're aware, building information models was a key starting point to reducing errors on site and improving the collaboration, but for the most part has been restricted primarily to the office. Having better constructible data will allow the digital model to be better used from the office to the site, integrating software and hardware and collaborating through cloud services like Trimble Connect, which will allow accurate flow of information. Other types of technology using IoT or Information of Things and robots on site are no longer solutions of the future. An example of this is Spot the Robot Dog by Boston Dynamics, and in collaboration with Trimble is just one example of how we're looking at combining Trimble's technology with a robot to automate site surveys and site monitoring. Also, managing your workforce through solutions such as Trimble CrewSite, which approve entry on site of the labourer with prior mandatory health checks and making sure certification is in place, as well able to manage where those labourers are at any particular time and maintain social distancing, and if anything should happen, action response teams to react to any situation. What this pandemic has shown is we need to change the way we work in construction. And think about adoption of technology as really a move towards automation and also a necessity to enable us to continue our construction in the future.